Dumating na ang regalo ko sa kanya.
What you said?
Dumating na ang regalo ko sa kanya.
What you said?
The gift I gave to you.
This is our first look at our new,
When was this gift? Last year?
Last year on the 21st of December I ordered it. Almost at exactly a year.
So that might be a golden presents.
So this is a Nova Orion wood lathe.
Is that the only one inside a crate? Is that the only one inside the box?
Yep. That's all that's in here.
You open it here, guys. He's going to unbox his presents.
How come every time I get something, it's a present for me?
Because you're the only one have money. You can buy by yourself. You better finish that one before the boys get in here. Or they're gonna be playing inside that box. You can put your balikbayan box in there.
Yeah, right.
Here are the stuff inside. He's going to install this. The most awaited
Yeah,
presents.
Right? Looks like it's in okay shape.
You
All
have
the traveling they did. It went from China to Australia, Australia to California, Australia to Florida, Florida to California, California to Hawaii,
return
back to California.
The wrong
and then
address.
finally came here.
And then it was wrong address again.
Yeah, and he still went to the wrong address.
You really have to try it tonight if it works or not.
Oh yeah. Well, I might have to run to Home Depot. I gotta find the cord.
Oh.
To wire it up.
Oh, okay.
So I want to run it to the 220.
Oh.
And I gotta make like a little extension wire.
Mm.
This guy's bolted on.
What's the voltage in it?
So it'll run either 220 or 240 or 120.
Oh.
220 gets me more horsepower.
Okay.
So, and I have right above where it's going to go is a 220. So I just need to make an extension cord that goes up to it.
Well, make sure it doesn't blow up.
Yeah. I need a screwdriver and a wrench. Oh, no. I just need strong fingers.
Oh, they attach it together?
Yeah, it's bolted to the crate.
Oh.
That's the screwdriver. No, maybe I can tamp it out. We're going to save this box because when we move, I'm putting it back in here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you better put it inside the house or else it's gonna get rained on.
Ah, it smells machine oil.
Hello! Does it really fit on your in your shop?
Should.
Okay.
I don't have to carry these inside.
Do you still need table for that, or that one gonna make like a table?
No, it's 2 legs.
Oh.
It's all its own.
So when you make it, you just stand or sit?
Stand.
Oh, okay.
Let me open the garage here.
It's really a big one.
Yep. Full size.
That one still have bolts in it?
No.
You remove it already?
This one is the headstock.
Okay.
So this is the motor and then the drive.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is your banjo and the tool rest.
Okay.
That's where you put your chisel and do the work.
Oh, okay.
This is the tailstock. The tailstock you use for support, and you can also use it for boring, like drilling holes.
Mm. Why did you choose this model?
This one,
Yeah.
the Nova DVR. So most lathes, the speed is the motor drives a belt that drives the headstock,
Oh.
the part that spins. This one,
Mm-hmm.
direct drive, no belts,
Oh.
100 to 5,000 RPM.
You like
can,
this?
Yeah, you can pre-program these guys like your favorites.
Mm.
Like say if I normally like to do spindle work at 1600 RPM,
Mm-hmm.
I could make that F1.
Oh.
If my sanding's done at 150 RPM, I can make that 2.
Oh.
So it's pre-programmable.
Okay.
I think you could put 8. If I remember right, it can have 8 pre-programmed.
That's really a gigantic one.
Yeah, it's full size. And it also came, if you're, for some reason, for the US model of this version, unlike the European version, it came with an extension. So like it is right now, you could do a 24-inch spindle.
Oh.
With the extension, the bed extension, it'll do 42.
Wow.
So like almost an entire bedpost.
Mm.
Definitely a leg on a table.
That's so cool.
This part is good down here.
This is brand new.
Yeah, we gotta get a wrench.
Save all your hardwares.
Yeah.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah. Have to take this off. It's got to slide.
Leave nothing but
Footprints. Take only pictures.
We're putting the legs on there. It's really a big one.
It's heavy. It's crazy.
Very good and square.
And it's just square them up. Those are all still a little bit loose. Yeah, it sounds tight. And tight. And tight.
Of course, this doesn't fit in there very well.
Oh, one of those.
Oops, sorry. That didn't feel good. I heard knuckles. Whack.
It's pretty crazy how little bolts hold this whole thing.
Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna grab the other one and we'll get the. That goes on the other end there.
One leg is done. It's gonna be like 30 minutes installing.
You know why? Because I read the procedure before.
That's why. You have already an idea. Smart.
I'm just a nuke. I reviewed the procedure before I actually executed it.
You memorize it already?
I didn't memorize it. Because that's not. It's on YouTube.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Now there's going to be two.
And it's not a very good one.
Oh. Well, here you go. It's easy to make a better one.
But the guy put his camera over in the corner and put it together.
One of those. Oh, okay. Let me set this up because this guy needs gas here. I can't see.
There's some fucking bullshit. Is that paint?
Oh,
That's good. Is your buddy here?
Yo. Hold on. What's up, man? Sorry, dude. I'm helping my neighbor put his lathe together, dude. My neighbor got a big lathe. Yeah, like a huge lathe. So it takes two people to put it together. Well, no, it takes two people to put. No, but it takes one person to put it together, but two people to put it over. But yeah, man. What's up?